how to make friends, users you follow, and your followers can message you on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your friends and users you follow and your followers can message you on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and then click these 3 points here in the bottom corner, and then go down, and here you will find settings. Click on it and then click account info, not account info, sorry, click privacy, and then click who can message me and select this one. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.